It starts by a magnet that swings, turns a nail, and which starts the marble. The marble goes down across the table, it goes into a jug that's connected to a tube, goes down the tube, lands onto a mousetrap. The mousetrap slams shut onto a garage door opener, which opens the garage door, pulling up a tarp. And there's two wires that are connected to the garage door. One that's connected to the shop vac switch, which turns on the shop vac, and one that's connected to a nut that swings towards a cup that's filled with water. Once the nut hits it, the cup dumps over the water into another cup, which starts the train. The train hits the dominoes, which goes until it falls off the table. Then which starts the other trail of dominoes, which hits the cup and dumps the paint into the wind of the shop vac, blowing the paint across the canvas, creating the art. To go with the Edison moments, we have a background of some, but not all, nowhere near all of our fails. The first one was the starting point shown by most of these fails. We had numerous attempts of trying to get the height of the string right, trying to get the nail to work, and just trying to overcome the momentum and trying to get momentum versus magnetism, because if it was swing from too high, it would be too fast and pass the magnet, or if it was too low, it would just catch onto the nail and not push it. The next part was the next Edison moment was the garage door opener, which the process of making a mousetrap open a garage door is not easy, because how ours worked, we had to use a dowel and a stick stacked on top of each other and have the trap close on the stick to end up somehow pressing down the button to open the garage door and getting it to position just right off the tube, so the marble would hit right in the right spot. Took a couple attempts, but also when the mousetrap would shut, it would go flying. It would bounce all over the place, and so we had to zip tie it to a block of wood, and then we just lay the actual opener right on top of it. Then the third and final big Edison moment was the shop vac. Our old one broke because we were trying to use a dowel to flip the switch, and it pulled a bit too much, and it broke the switch. Then the new one we got had a flip switch, which my dad wanted us to push it, and that it was really hard to get it so it would push down. Then I thought, well, if we just pulled up the on part, and that ended up working by connecting it with duct tape, a coat hanger, and wire to the garage door, and then it pulls up and goes and finishes.